Hello friends! Is your car struggling to start, or do you notice a weak fuel pump sound? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0628, this means there's a problem with the fuel pump control circuit. Low voltage. This issue can cause hard starts, low power, and even engine stalling. In this video I'll explain what P0628 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0628? The P0628 code stands for Fuel Pump Control Circuit Low Voltage. This means the Powertrain Control Module has detected an issue with the electrical circuit controlling the fuel pump. A low voltage problem can lead to poor fuel delivery, rough engine performance, or failure to start. Common symptoms of P0628: hard starting or no start condition, engine stalling while driving, loss of power during acceleration. Check engine light on fuel pump making weak or no sound. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0628, check these key components. Fuel pump location, inside the fuel tank or externally mounted near the frame rail in some vehicles. Function, pumps fuel from the tank to the engine. Fuel pump relay and fuse location, inside the fuse box, usually under the hood or in the cabin. Function, provides power to the fuel pump. Fuel pump control module. Location, near the rear of the vehicle, close to the fuel tank. Function, regulates voltage and fuel pump operation. Powertrain Control Module. Location, usually mounted near the firewall or under the dashboard. Function, monitors and controls the fuel pump circuit. Wiring and connectors for the fuel pump circuit location. Runs from the fuel pump through the relay to the PCM. Function, supplies power and signals for fuel delivery. Tip, if the fuel pump isn't receiving enough voltage, check the wiring and relay before replacing the pump. Common causes of P0628: weak or failing fuel pump. The pump is not getting enough power to function. Faulty fuel pump relay, failing to supply proper voltage. Blown or weak fuse, cutting off power supply to the fuel pump. Bad fuel pump control module, FPCM, not regulating voltage correctly. Corroded or loose wiring connections causing voltage drop or open circuit. Faulty powertrain control module, PCM, sending incorrect signals to the pump. How to fix P0628. Step 1. Check the fuel pump fuse and relay. Replace if necessary. Step 2. Listen for the fuel pump sound. Turn the key to on, and check if you hear a faint humming sound. Step 3. Inspect the fuel pump wiring. Look for frayed, broken, or corroded wires. Step 4. Test the fuel pump voltage. Use a multimeter to check if the pump is receiving proper voltage. Step 5. Check the fuel pump control module, FPCM. If other components are fine, test the module for faults. Step 6. Replace the fuel pump if necessary. If all else checks out, the pump may be weak or failing. Step 7. Reset the system and test drive the vehicle. Clear the code and check if it returns. Ignoring P0628 can lead to poor fuel delivery, engine misfires, or a car that won't start. Fixing this issue ensures your vehicle gets the right fuel supply for smooth performance. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0510, closed throttle position switch P0511, idle air control circuit. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.